What's up, Collins crew? We are here at the port. We are in
Roatan, Honduras.
we're in Roatan, Honduras, and we are getting ready to board to do our first set of semi-sub glass bottom boat excursion. So we'll let you know once we get some air conditioning and get out of this crazy port. But I'll let you know what it looks like inside the port when it's a little bit chaotic in here. So as you can see, all the cruise ship guests get off. And it is crowded and crazy.
Hello, Collins crew. We're on the bus right now, ready to go to the submarine, and it's really cramped in here.
We booked this submarine before the submersible went down, so don't judge us. But we're still going to be brave.
It's a semi-submarine.
Huh?
It's a semi-submarine.
Yeah, it's a semi-submarine. But we're going to get out here. We're going to try it out.
Gonna have problems getting back here. He finna have some problems getting on this little bitty bus. He finna have problems. There you go, sit him up front. There you go. You gonna have to suck it in, big boy. I promise you. There go the tough part right here. Yep. Gotta suck it in and squeeze. You got it. You gotta suck it in. There you go.
There's one.
That's one.
There's two.
They get tighter as you get back farther.
You ain't lying.
I'm telling you. You're gonna have to jump over to see the minute.
You'll be seat surfing.
Oh, she didn't make it easy. Look,
Yeah, she's a size 2. See, we said size 2.
Once in Jamaica wasn't this time.
I know it was.
It's gonna be hard to get out
Told
too.
you.
It's gonna be hard to get out too.
Nah, they got a mercy window. We can just go out that way.
No, we can climb over the chairs.
I'm jumping over this chair to stare
But
after.
welcome to the Collins crew. We here in Roatan, and we finna go to the semi-submersible. It's a glass bottom, so you won't see the fish at the bottom of the ocean, and y'all don't see what y'all see. I know I look cross-eyed right now. Yeah, I look.
We've been on the boat for 3 days. It's our first time getting.
Yeah, make sure I get the eyes right. Okay. So you can see, yes, we can get on
This
this
is the
boat.
first time getting off the boat in 3 days. So
Semi-submerged.
this will be in our vlog with all of the excursions that we take. We are in Honduras.
You know I keep that with me because,
Get out of here, Dre.
just let you know.
Just in case.
I don't know what they got going on out here in $100.
Alright, so we're here. We're in the submersible.
It's not a submersible.
Oh, I mean in the
Semi-submarine.
The semi-submarine. And we're about to take off and get ready to go down and look at the coral reefs. Are you excited, Tom? Are you excited? Hey, are you excited?
Yeah.
Yeah? Okay.
All of the crustaceans go into turn the brass and raise their heads. Except
Are you excited, babe?
We got a bunch of fish. We get to see them all.
We already saw a
School of fish.
school of fish. So let's check it out. All right, Collins crew, you can see we're back at the room. We did the excursion with the half-submersible glass-bottom submarine. It was pretty cool. We actually liked it quite a bit. And now, since we got back to the ship with enough time, something you may not know is that the pools aren't too crazy on port days. So we are going to spend the rest of the day at the pool. Swimsuit time, swimsuit time, swimsuit time, swimsuit time, swimsuit time. Time to relax, have a drink, and chill by the pool for the rest of the day.
And got some ice cream.
Oh, and of course, because they do have the infamous ice cream. That's Macy in the background talking. The infamous ice cream. We are going to get some ice cream as well. We'll check back in with you. We are cruising, baby. What's up, Collins crew? We're back again, another day at sea. We are getting ready to head out on an excursion. We are heading out on an excursion in Costa Maya. And we have never been to this port before. We have been, tomorrow we go to Cozumel. We've been to Cozumel before. And we have been to Honduras as well. So those were the 3 ports that this ship stopped in. And right now I'm going to take you outside because this is kind of unique. But where our cabin is, we can actually see, where our cabin is, we can actually see 3, there's that little one. You could see 3 other ships. Dad and Micah have already gone down for breakfast. It's just me and her. And she was super excited when she saw the other ships out there. You want to go explain to them the ships we saw?
So we saw 3 Caribbeans and 1 Carnival.
No.
3 Caribbeans.
No, it's 3 of us, 3 Royal Caribbean and 1 MSC. Okay, ready? Let's go out there and show them.
Let's go.
All right, so as you know, it's super bright out here, so sorry for the squinting. As you know, we have a balcony cabin, but we are pulled into port so you can see the other ships. Let me turn the camera around. So this ship right here next to us is another, where's the fin at? I saw the Royal Caribbean sign here. This ship right here that we're right across from, oh, I saw the Royal Caribbean flag right there. And that is this ship right here next to us. And I don't know what the name of this particular ship is right next to us because I can't see the name from the angle that we're at. And then a little bit further out, this other boat right here, this is Serenade of the Seas, another Royal Caribbean ship. And if you want to zoom in a little bit closer, see it's a Serenade of the Seas. And then the big boy at the back, that is an MSC ship. So the port looks like it's going to be pretty crowded. So we didn't really plan a huge excursion at this port, thank God. Kind of glad we didn't after seeing how many ships are here today. It's beautiful, but there's so many ships that I don't know if it would be any fun in port with all the crowds and craziness at the beaches. So we didn't plan a beach day on this ship, on this port at all, because this ship that we're on has so many pools that we've just done massive amounts. The ship has so many pools, we've just done a massive amount of pool days. So we're getting browner and browner because we don't tan. Just brown.
Hey, welcome to the Collins crew. We looking at some exotic birds on an exotic island in Mexico, and it's we having fun. To the family, we on the Ricky boat. We getting it in. That's the way life works.
Alright. Colin's crew, we're getting ready to head out to dinner. So we are here hanging out on the balcony after we did our excursion in Costa Maya. And we will make videos of all of that. We're going to do a video dedicated to us getting on the ship and our first reactions. Then we're going to do a video over our all the things you can do on the boat, and then we're going to do an excursion video. So you'll get to see the excursions and all the things that we got to do, and then we're going to make a video comparing us between our trip with Royal and our trip with Carnival, and we'll let you know what our final thoughts were as a family and what we personally prefer. But we are sailing away, and we were just in port with 3 other ships, so the port was crazy crowded. All right, Colin's crew, it's our last port here, and we are headed into Cozumel for the day. He's back there yawning. And he's tired. But we're going to make it a good day. Notice the kids are not with us. Because one thing about Royal is that they offer where you can leave your kids for the whole day from 9 a.m. to 5 p.m. So we took them up on that offer, and we're going into port without them today. They do? Oh. Well, he said they feed them too. Wow.
It's from 9 to 12, and then if they stay to 5, they feed them.
Sweet. So we're going to try this out and see how it works. And if our kids hate it, we'll never do it again.
We won't be there to 5 though, because the ship leaves before 4:30. So
yeah, but if the kids don't like it, we won't do it again. But at least we'll say we have the experience under our belt. All right, we're off into the port. Here we go. So originally, guys, we said we weren't going to do anything in Cozumel, but then we said we weren't going to do anything in Cozumel, but then we decided to rent a beach car. We'll show it to you when we get out, and drive around Cozumel. So the hubby's put this good use back to use of driving the stick shift, because he hasn't done that in a while. But he said it's like riding a bike, just getting back out there and doing it again. So right now we're along the coast of the islands and just kind of sightseeing and seeing everything that we see. All right, so we're back from our tour, and I'm gonna give you a little bit of the buggy that we rode in. He's back there filming other stuff. And there's the buggy that we rode in. Cool little thing. You can take the top off and ride down the road. So there's the buggy that we rode in. Wasn't too bad. We didn't buy it on the ship. We bought it off the ship. It cost us $145. This is the gentleman that sold us the tickets. Tell YouTube hi.
We have more beautiful boogies. Was of our last.
This is one of the last ones.
Was the last?
It was the last one because we got off late, but it's a stick shift. But it was fun, just like our car at home. Got the same VW at the house. Volkswagen. Great prices. Come to Amazing Buggy Rentals to rent your vehicle to drive through Cozumel. Good prices. Thank you, sir. Have a good day.
Thanks to you. Have a nice day. Enjoy.
Guess what, everybody? We got neighbors. Look at our neighbors.
Can you give us a hi?
Look at our neighbors.
Hi.
Look at our neighbors.
Can I get a fire?
Look at our neighbors.
Let's go.
Ahoy, shipmate! Hurry up! Oh, it's about that time. Look at our neighbors. Hurry up! Hey! Uh-oh!
Hurry, run, run, run.
Right here?
Best part of the cruise when you are port side and you can see is the last minute people get cheered onto their ship or else they get left in Viva la Mexico!
Viva Mexico! I know. Yeah! What's up?
Hurry up! Run! Run, run! Run, run, Rudolph!
Look at a high!
Hurry up! Hurry up! Boat moving!
Hey! How y'all doing? Hi! Hi!